Looking for the first and original takoyaki here in Iloilo City? Well, this episode 84 is right for you, featuring their bestseller and must-try products by Mon's Takuyaki. Mon's Takuyaki, a family-owned business, and this delicacy that attracted Filipinos by its Japanese-Filipino exquisiteness. They're located at SM City Iloilo, lower ground floor, food court, and beside the entrance. They're open every day starting 9 in the morning until 8 in the evening. And for their other branches, Robinson's Place Main and MaryMart Mall. They're also available via Food Panda app. For their full list of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below, and disclaimer lang mga knows, is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, at para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads with ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag nyo pong i-skip, malaking tulong na yun sa akin channel. Hi there mga knows, so you have here bestseller by Mon's Takuyaki. So, i-discuss ko muna isa-isa. Sir, meatballs for 20 pesos per stick. For these products po, ito mixture na siya for their takoyakis. We have their pork, chicken, squid, shrimp, ham and cheese, bacon and cheese, crab takoyaki with pork floss for 45 pesos. So, I'm very excited mga kanos. Ito, sobrang favorite ko to since nag-study pa ako sa University of San Agustin or college student. Ito parati kong inuulam kung tight budget ako. Very affordable siya, tapos very healthy. Ito, infusion siya for Filipino and Japanese takoyaki. And for this mga kanos, ako po yung naglagay ng dressing or yung sauce dito sa taas. At the same time, yung pork floss. Unahin natin yung meatballs. For their special sauce, ito homemade siya, tapos ang ganda combination for its sweet, savory, and also for its tenderness for its meatballs, the crispiness for its outer texture. Tapos for the price of 20 pesos, ito sulit ka na swak ka na for its quality, taste, and also for its overall ingredients. For next product, ito excited ako kasi I'm a big fan of pork floss. So ito, since mix na to or assorted, siguro ma-surprise na din ako kung anong flavor na taste ko. Unang takoyaki with pork floss, yung na-try ko is yung squid. Nandun yung perfect essence, its squid flavor and also overall quality, mixed with veggies and perfect pair for its pork floss. Kung tikman ito. Yung second try ko for takoyaki, ito, nasaan ko yung crab meat and also for its essence, yung overall quality and flavor for its takoyaki, sobrang very distinctive. So, 45 pesos, sulit ka na. So, yung third takoyaki na tikman ko is yung chicken. Very present at very distinctive yung chicken meats and also chicken flavor. On point siya. Nandun yung light taste for its meats. Sana sa fourth takoyaki tastes ko, yung mahuli ko is yung bacon and cheese or yung ham and cheese. So yung fourth takoyaki na taste test ko is yung shrimp. Since I'm a shrimp lover, so nandun yung perfect combination for its shrimp taste, shrimp meat, and also for its soft texture. Sa fifth ko na try, nahuli ko talaga si ham and cheese. Ito talaga yung cheese flavor, at the same time yung ham. Sarap ng combination niya, mas lalong ma-appreciate yung overall essence and exquisite taste for its product. So yung sixth and last natin i-try is saan ba? Ang galing, yung sa 6th try ko, is yung bacon and cheese. Yung crispiness for its bacon and also for its savory and tenderness. Tapos yung cheese, very present. Grabe mga nos, sobrang na-amaze ako. Yung overall quality, kahit noon pa sila, until now, nandun pa rin yung
perfect taste for takoyaki. Yung ingredients sa pork floss, special sauce, meats, very affordable na siya. Perfect blend for its veggies. Ito talaga yung first love ko when it comes sa takoyaki. Okay, for rating manos, for all of their products in each of their categories and flavors, I'll give it a perfect 10. Amazing quality of takoyaki experience and tastes review, especially sa vlog ko for Drinkinos. Thank you so much and congratulations sa lahat po ng owners at sa lahat pong bumubuo for Mons Takuyaki. See you again mga nos for my next brand and tastes review here in Iloilo City. Keep safe mga nos! Bye!